Hello, my queens. Okay, so today I was thinking to myself, the other day I was in a rush and I had to put on like a decent amount of makeup or whatever because I know I was gonna be taking pictures, but I was like, I really don't have time. So this is my thing. I'm going to do a 5-minute makeup routine, and as I go along I'm gonna act like this is like really going on, and I'm going to be seeing what things in my makeup routine that I can cut out or I can shorten. And I just feel like it will be interesting for you guys to see, because I know sometimes we all get into the situations where we sleep in or you're busy and you don't have a lot of time to actually get yourself ready. So if you guys want to see what I do in these situations, keep watching. But before you do, if you guys want to see your name on this wall, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, comment down below that you did it, and you will be there. Okay, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So first and foremost, I want to know that I'm not cheating. So I'm gonna be setting my timer on my phone. I have it right here. I'm gonna be setting my timer for 5 minutes, and I have everything so messy in front of me. I just definitely filmed and everything is just splattered around, so I'm making this a little harder on myself, but you know what, this is what we do for views. Okay, so we're gonna do this and we're gonna do it in freaking 5 minutes. Watch and learn. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Sure, 5 minutes, and we're starting now.
Of course you are, you impatient individual. Okay, so going in with eyebrows, that I do. Just a little bit just to cover up the patches. All right, and then normally, okay, I'll still prime with my e.l.f. primer, and that was my NYX eyebrow stick, Beach Dubs. I'm going in with some primer, and then some concealer, the Instant Age Rewind by Maybe It's Maybelline. Is that copyright? Because I don't know what I was thinking. I really thought I had like the luxury of doing some eyeshadow. Like, I do not have 8 minutes, as to you have 5. All right. No kind of beauty blender, because it's not that kind of day. I'm going in with my Garnier foundation. Actually, it's not foundation, it's a BB cream. And this isn't for any old just coverage, it's just covering some of the redness that's on my face. Ooh, there we go, out of hair. Oops. All right, now I'm going in with my HG powder, and I'm setting my lid, and this is just to open up my eyes and brighten up my eyes. And I'm going with my telescopic. In Carbon Black. Alright, lower lash line. Lower lash line. Alright, that's on. Now I'm going to contour. Oh, I'm dropping everything everywhere. I'm going to contour with my Physicians Formula bronzer when I find my brush. Just on the forehead. Little across the nose just to add color. And then we're gonna get some highlight on my fan brush. There we go. So I use my fingers. You know your girl gotta glow either way. And this is my e.l.f. highlight. I don't know if I mentioned that. I definitely didn't. Alright. We're glowing. We're good. We're good. I'm gonna go in with my NYX lip gloss. And this is in Toasted Marshmallow. It's a gloss, not matte. Okay. What else? I think that's it. I'm done. I'm just gonna cover up or go back in with my contour shade a little bit just to add a little extra. And that is it. Your girl is done. And might I say, with 20, actually it was 23, but now it's 17 seconds to spare. Can you guys even see that? My brightness is all the way up. Tell me you don't see that. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, so that is it. I have on some coverage just to cover up some redness, not even blemishes. Oh, you know what I did forget to do? Gonna get that spray bottle and then re-slay the hair because that's not happening. You can't be caught slipping. Anyway, that is the end of this video. My lipstick looks scary because I was rushing, but you know what? You can always, whether you're in the car, whether you're on the bus, the train, or whatever, you can always just fix it up, you know? So this video was super fun to make. It was hilarious. I literally, this is probably like, I don't even know what to call this. This is just interesting, but this was actually super fun to make. I honestly didn't think I was gonna get as far as I actually did. The only things I would favor is the primer, obviously, because you should always have on primer. Like, you shouldn't like sacrifice your skin for the sake of time. If you're gonna put on anything, it should be primer. Highlight I always use. I also use mascara because I love it when my eyelashes flutter. Sometimes if I have extra time, like, again, this is like the 8-minute challenge. Sometimes I'll get like a regular fluffy eyeshadow brush and I will get my bronzer. And since my eyes are already concealed, I would dip it into the bronzer. I would dip it into my bronzer and kind of give myself like dimension on the lid. Like, that's literally it. That's about it though. That'd be the whole eyebrow routine. I mean, the whole eyelid routine. Like, that's it. Yeah, so from the first try, I definitely cut out the eyeshadow because I was like, and me too, like when I do eyeshadow, I like to take my time with it. So again, eyelashes, highlight. If you feel like you want to contour a little bit or some bronzer, that, and then something on my lips, and then the mascara if I didn't mention that. So those are the only things. But that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, I told you guys what to do in the beginning of this video. If you guys want to be on my wall, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and comment "did it" down below, and you will be right there, okay? Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Actually, before I go, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I want to do a Q&A when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So if you guys have any questions you guys want to ask me, comment them down below, and I'm going to be writing them down and answering them all. So I would love to do that. And that is it. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much to all of my queens. You guys are adorable. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Love you.